I see people daily that have all kinds of health-related problems connected to poor sleep. As a doctor, my answer is ZQuiet, a comfortable, flexible oral device. My patients agree, both men and women, it relieves snoring and stops the sound instantly. Its medical-grade material requires no special fitting. You sleep and breathe normally with your mouth open or closed. ZQuiet can restore your sleep and your relationship.
Yeah, so I sleep better and she sleeps better, and it makes life easier.
That's one of the biggest changes that I noticed is once I started using ZQuiet, I was actually sleeping all throughout the night.
With over 500,000 sold, ZQuiet works. It's my first choice for my patients who snore.